Hey guys, I'm making another video.
Hopefully it won't freeze this time.
And this time hopefully it don't freeze. Hope you subscribe for my videos. And if your favorite color is pink and green, leave a comment under my videos, okay? So the first color we're going to show. No, wait, we're not color. We're not doing. Oh, this.
She's got 26. She's got 26 colors of the same thing, basically. The one she's going to show. I'm just helping you. Don't move around too much, Patricia.
Okay, the first thing we're showing is this.
And that's Patton.
This is for my Play-Doh.
Oh, shoot. Just
put it. Okay. Here's another one. This one's green. This one's shapes. It's awesome. I got a little bit.
It's okay, whatever. Just a little here.
And
I try to get it all out here.
This is for my Play-Doh.
Just try to go here, like little.
Okay, this is a knife to cut stuff off the thing. Like,
try not to hit the laptop, not even move it with your arm.
That's what it does. So you basically cut things like.
It's just a knife for Play-Doh.
Yeah. This right here is cool. Okay.
Don't forget to show them.
What you do is you put some Play-Doh right in this. And this. Put Play-Doh on that. And you press this down. Carefully press this. Oh, wait.
No, honey, please don't. No, you know it's hard for. It's hard for me to put that in. God. Patricia, I'm afraid it's gonna freeze again. Whatever, just show them that.
Okay. What you do is you stick some Play-Doh in this. No, wait. Never mind, guys. Wait. Okay. Right there, you stick it in there.
Oh, shoot.
And then you press it. The reason why this is on the back, it goes to it. And
Crystal, come and get Patton!
and you press it down like this.
Hurry up, just. There we go. Don't pull it all up. Don't pull it all the way up.
This is what you do. It makes Play-Doh come out, but the reason why I didn't put Play-Doh in it.
Actually. Start grabbing colors.
Oh. This is numbers. See it close. 2, 1. There's actually all the numbers in here.
God, is Crystal gonna come up here and get him or not?
And these are ABC. C, J, D,
A through Z.
A through Z, yeah. Okay. First camera showing up is this. This is from Kitty Dough. This is green Play-Doh. What lid is on the top is the color of the Play-Doh. But this is green Play-Doh. You can tell. It looks like yellow, but it is a green. And that is a green lid. But it looks like yellow, but it is a green. And if you wonder, it's my brother in the background. And the next one, this one's a greenish yellow. This one's from the original ones I get. This is called Play-Doh, the exact one I get.
Sorry.
And it's a greenish yellow.
Stop it, I'm making your hair look funny.
Here you go. Okay, next one we're showing up, it's called Kitty Doll, and it's from the company, and that is pink. It looks like a greenish pink, but it is pink. This you can see good. This is a hot pink. No, wait. But this is a hot pink. It may look like the same pink as I showed right now.
It's the lighting.
It's hot pink, and it looks like that inside. It's hot pink inside. Next one I'm showing you, this is one of my favorite movie characters, Freddy Krueger. Red.
So here's the other color.
Dough. That's Kitty, red and green. This is Kitty Dough, and this is red. You can tell because it looks like red, doesn't it? Okay. This is black. And this is from the company Kitty Dough. Oh, that red one was from the company Kitty Dough too. The black one is Kitty Dough.
Sorry.
Okay.
I'm trying not to get my hand in
This one's from Kitty Dough, and this one's white. Some of you might like white, some of you might not. But there is 26 cans of the same color as this.
No, there's 26, like all the colors you're showing.
25 cans of all the colors
that she's going to show.
I'm showing. But not the other kind of Play-Doh. The one that said Play-Doh on it. This is white, and this is from the company